I had a ton of success. I had a couple of offers at the same time, and I said no to one pretty quickly because I didn't feel that connection. I didn't feel that when I showed up as myself, it was appreciated or really in line with how they approached each other or me. And then there was the job I accepted, where I felt right away, this is a place I belong. And I knew it, and I knew it, and I knew that I had showed up as myself. The good, the bad, it was me. I was there, all of me. And so I felt very comfortable and confident that what I was walking into was the right place for me. And I really would not have been able to investigate and identify those factors before the program. I've been interviewing 3 to 6 months off and on in waves, and I had a couple of offers, and I felt at a loss as to whether to accept them. The decision making was fuzzy for me because I didn't have this new filter to say, is this the place for the real me? And so looking back, some of those places would have really been a mismatch for me. But I had been trying so hard to fit into the mold that I thought they were looking for that I kept pushing through. And that could have ended in a very bad way if I had gone ahead with some of those offers. Everyone said I was enthusiastic, and I am enthusiastic, but I had been tamping that down because I thought it was wrong. I thought it was not professional. But my best work comes from my enthusiasm. And so I really allowed myself to demonstrate that and to unlock it all with a few short sessions in this workshop in the program.